Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling Linux Beta because Krita runs in the Linux container. Open Settings and turn on Linux. Follow the prompts to create a username and allocate about 5 GB. Once done, make sure Chrome OS is updated so the container gets proper libraries. You're doing this now because it avoids emulator delays. Enabling Linux prepares an environment where Krita behaves like a native app. After the container finishes installing, keep the terminal window open for the next steps. You will use terminal to fetch Krita. This is the core installation step. First run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to refresh packages and avoid conflicts. Then install Krita with sudo apt install Krita y. If you prefer a newer build, enable Flatpak support in the container, install Flatpak, and run Flatpak install flathaborg. KDE. Krita. Make sure to watch the terminal for prompts. Respond to any permission questions so the package completes cleanly. Once installation finishes, open Krita from your Linux apps list or type Krita in terminal. You should calibrate input and tablet settings if using a stylus. Krita's tablet settings are under Settings right arrow Configure Krita. If it won't start, try software rendering by launching Krita with env-qt quick backend equals software Krita, or enable experimental Wayland in settings to fix UI glitches. If problems persist, remove and reinstall Krita using sudo apt remove purge Krita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.